I'm Eric Salazar. I'm with Paragon Fire Protection, and I'm the owner-operator. The main results from adopting ServiceTrade has been tech satisfaction. Our techs love the ability to be empowered through technology to do what they do best, and to be able to not have to pick a piece of paper from a table, which is what they used to do, and have to go do a work order. They love being able to use the mobile technology and know exactly what they're doing, to document everything and to communicate better with the office. Now we're able to take a quote, do our job, do all of our documentation, and just invoice everything through ServiceTrade, so there's no loss in efficiency and in the operation. There's a lot of things from the moment that you issue that quote and you get it approved to when you get that cash paid. Today, we're able to do a quote, put those pictures in, get it approved digitally. We're able to flip in that inspection report, those pictures, those videos, in a very clean summary of who was there, what was done, and a beautiful payment link for them to be able to pay right there and then. So some days we're able to start with a quote at 10 a.m. in the morning and be paid by that afternoon. At Paragon Fire Protection, our customer experience has always been paramount. But in the past, in order to be able to deliver that customer experience, it took so many phone calls, so many texts with pictures, so many emails. It was great intentions, poor execution. Now with ServiceTrade, we're actually able to deliver that same promise in such a tighter fashion. We're able to keep everything in a single location. We're able to provide better, more timely information, and to have the level of detail, proof, attachments, and compliance that we've never had before. And we're just getting started.